Welcome back to Soulful Summit, the heart and mind of inspiration and motivation on Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, your friendly guide on this journey to a healthier, happier, and more confident you. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that's close to my heart, the strength in vulnerability. We'll also touch on the power of inspiration and how it can transform our lives. So let's dive right in. Vulnerability. It's a word that often carries a negative connotation. We associate it with weakness, with being exposed, with the risk of getting hurt. But what if I told you that there's strength in vulnerability? That opening up, letting your guard down, and showing your true self can be one of the most empowering things you can do. It's true, vulnerability is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to our courage. It's about having the strength to show up and be seen, even when we have no control over the outcome. When we allow ourselves to be vulnerable, we open the door to authentic connections. We let others see us for who we truly are, not who we think we should be. And in doing so, we give them the permission to do the same. We create a space where empathy, compassion, and understanding can flourish. And isn't that what we all crave? Genuine connections, deep relationships, a sense of belonging. All of these are born from vulnerability. If our daily videos are becoming your go-to for all things inspirational and motivational, show some love by hitting like and subscribe to always stay updated. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to bring you content that uplifts and inspires. Now, let's talk about inspiration. Inspiration is a powerful force. It can ignite a spark within us, push us to step out of our comfort zones, and drive us to achieve things we never thought possible. But where does inspiration come from? It can come from anywhere: a book, a movie, a conversation, a sunset. But most importantly, it can come from within us. When we tap into our vulnerability, we tap into our authentic selves. And there's nothing more inspiring than being true to who we are. The strength in vulnerability and the power of inspiration are intertwined. When we embrace our vulnerability, we inspire others to do the same. We show them that it's okay to be imperfect, to have fears, to have doubts. We show them that it's okay to be human. And in doing so, we inspire them to embrace their own humanity, their own imperfections, their own vulnerability. We become a beacon of inspiration simply by being our authentic selves. In closing, remember that there's strength in vulnerability. It's not a weakness, but a testament to our courage. It's the key to authentic connections, deep relationships, and a sense of belonging. And when we embrace our vulnerability, we become a source of inspiration for others. So don't be afraid to show up and be seen. Be vulnerable. Be authentic. Be you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep shining your light. Goodbye for now.